Hey, as you see, the dead cherry tree goes the whole way down. It's dead. There's where I have a rope, and you see the proximity it is to my shed. So that's got to come down before the wind takes care of it for me. So I don't like taking trees down. There's a little bit of danger associated with it, not falling where you want it to, but sometimes you just got to do it. I'm pretty much set up now. I have the rope tied up above. I have it to go to a pulley. I want it to fall this way. This is between my shed and my outhouse. And as you see, I'm afraid it's going to go down that way a little bit because of the way the top is shaped. So I'm going to try to pull it this way. I have a pulley here, and the rope is tied to there. Now, my wife will get in the truck, and she'll drive the truck down, and that should tighten this rope up here, like this. And that pulley should keep it going that way. And it should be able to help pull it this way. Hopefully it falls this way. I will certainly put on a helmet before I get started on this, because it being a dead tree, once it starts to go, branches go. I really, like I said, I dislike doing this, but sometimes you just got to do it. I wish I could have got up higher, but that's as high as my ladder would reach. So that's what we got. I'll be cutting the wedge out first, okay? Tighten up a touch more. Okay, that's good. Well, it came down not exactly where I wanted it, but it's still good. It didn't hit anything and nobody's hurt, so that's what's important. So now I just get to cut it up. As always, thanks for viewing. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you later.